For all those people asking what is Collagen Select Anti-Aging Skincare Cream, this review will reveal all you need to know. Collagen Select is an innovative complex skincare which supports the natural production of collagen, enhancing the skin's health, nails, and hair. In addition, this product also helps to maintain healthy mucous membranes in great condition. Collagen Select also has the capacity to neutralize free radicals, thus delaying the aging process and protecting healthy cells. This active ingredient functions on several levels, stimulating a supple skin and keeping it healthy. A Collagen Select product usually contains two main active ingredients. One of them is Synergy TK, which is extracted from the wool of sheep. The product's manufacturer reveals that Synergy TK can stimulate the growth of collagen, elastin, and skin cells. This process is supposed to be responsible for maintaining the suppleness of the skin as well as preventing wrinkles. Another one of the active ingredients in Collagen Select is Phytessence wakame. According to the manufacturers, this ingredient is able to strengthen collagen fibers, thus eliminating lines and wrinkles. Phytessence wakame is extracting from Japanese sea algae, thus making this skincare product highly effective. These two active ingredients have different functions. Let us take a closer look at them. Synergy TK is used in the treatment of severe skin problems such as acne scars and wrinkles. However, its effectiveness has been confirmed by two scientific backing. As a matter of fact, there are now many products available in the market containing Collagen Select as an active ingredient. You should know what to look for before purchasing these products. You need to be very careful when purchasing Collagen Select as it counterfeited by some scrupulous anti-aging cream manufacturers. According to the experts, you need to look for products that contain all natural ingredients. In addition to that, Collagen Select should contain functional keratin and Phytessence wakame. These are the most effective ingredients that can increase collagen level in your skin. In order to make Collagen Select a truly effective skincare product, the manufacturers of these products include a number of other collagen-boosting active ingredients. You should also take a look at the list of ingredients before buying a product. The presence of harmful chemicals in the list may affect your health badly. In general, if you want to find a truly effective anti-aging product, then Collagen Select is one of the right options. However, you can use anti-aging creams containing natural active ingredients such as Synergy TK, Nano-Lipobel HEQ10, and Phytessence wakame for promoting collagen level in your skin. This will ensure faster regeneration of collagen in your skin. You need to take a look at the ingredients of such skincare products before selecting the best one. A reliable company never fails to provide a list of active ingredients in their products. The Synergy TK contains functional keratin that can stimulate collagen and elastin production in the body effectively. It is mainly because functional keratin is capable of providing greater molecular attraction to the collagen protein. The presence of Collagen Select active ingredients in a product increases its efficiency to stimulate collagen production. It is because the presence of collagen to increase the elasticity of the skin. You need to check out the ingredients of anti-aging products very carefully before you buy them. If you want to find a collagen growth cream that can work effectively, then you should take a look at its ingredients. It should consist of functional keratin, coenzyme Q10, vitamin E, grapeseed oil, and Phytessence wakame. All these active ingredients can ensure collagen growth effectively. There are some good Collagen Select products available in the market. You just have to look for manufacturers that produce top-quality collagen products. You should not opt for cheap collagen anti-aging creams that contain ineffective ingredients. Remember that you must take care of your skin seriously. Remember that if you want to look young and wrinkle-free, collagen increase is the only way. To get Collagen Select Anti-Aging Skincare Cream, please click the link below.